Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook white rice in an Aroma rice cooker. First, measure 2 cups of white rice using the cup that came with your cooker. Next, rinse the rice thoroughly under cool running water in a fine mesh sieve. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear. This crucial step removes excess starch, which helps prevent the rice from becoming too sticky and ensures a wonderfully fluffy texture for your finished dish. It's a simple but important start to perfect rice. Now, let's get the water ratio just right. For every 1 cup of white rice you've measured, you'll need to add 1.5 cups of water to the inner pot of your Aroma rice cooker. So, since we're cooking 2 cups of rice, you'll add exactly 3 cups of water. This precise measurement is key to achieving that ideal, tender consistency. Make sure the water level is accurate before moving on to the next step for perfectly cooked grains. With your rice and water in the pot, it's time to start cooking. Carefully place the inner pot back into your Aroma rice cooker and close the lid securely. Now, simply select the white rice or cook setting on your appliance. The cooker will automatically begin its cycle, and once the rice is perfectly cooked, it will switch to the warm setting. This usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes, so you can relax while it does the work. Once your Aroma rice cooker switches to the warm setting, resist the urge to open the lid immediately. Instead, let the rice rest for an additional 10 to 15 minutes with the lid still closed. This resting period is vital as it allows the steam to redistribute evenly, resulting in perfectly tender and fluffy grains. Finally, gently fluff the rice with the provided paddle or a fork before serving it alongside your favorite meal. Enjoy your perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.